Okay, everybody, here we are at the dance floor, ready to start.
So let us show you right away the figure that we are going to be using, and later we're going to give you important tips. Here we go. 1 and pam pa pa zum sa pa pa zum pa 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 pam pam, and we can start all over again to another figure or the same one.
Now, for followers,
Sure.
We are doing everything with the legs kind of straight, lifting from the ribs, brushing the floor with your toes, and uncrossing when he lifts that from the right side, extending your leg to the front first, and I'm crossing back. I'm touching the floor with the heel. I'm using the toes to do an embellishment, and walk after that to resolution. Back, back, side, feet together. I'm trying to have the feet together every time he lifts and lifting the position. So not going to feet together down here.
Tip number 1, leaders, do not push your follower down while we are doing this. Milonguero looks like we are very, very much grounded, but we are not pushing our follower down. So here's the thing. 1, here I'm lifting her. I'm lowering, but without bringing her down. Yeah, that's first correction. Now, I will do the sacada. Sacada, and it's just a regular step, and the sacada happens naturally with the outside part of our knee. Sacada, and then here's the thing. 2 things. Send her with your rib cage a little more out so she can extend her leg. And the other thing is, do not close this hand. Keep the hand very, very much back to pull from the right shoulder blade. Tac, cruzada. Lift from the rib cage. This is to uncross. And then, yes, we can adjust to amague of going. And then we can walk out into a resolution.
For the followers, with the same place that he's talking about the lead, how we receive that lead for our step. So going to the side, we have the sacada, going around to the cross. When he pulls up, change body weight. I feel the ribs very much. So using this lead, you feel on your left side a little lifting that will make me uncross. Extending the legs, growing taller the more you can, not using the heel. And then I'm going back here for the embellishments and the resolution. But the main thing is we are very, very much connect on the ribs. I'm using more the left ribs. I'm not square with shoulders forward, it's more like ribs. So when he does all the lead, I bring that to my legs. So
Yes.
This is the main thing. You feel this connection from ribs to ribs, and this is going to be my lead. To cross when he lifts, to uncross, and then going to the next position. So be very connect, not from shoulders, but from ribs, and extend the legs, grow taller to be able to do the crosses and keep the close embrace. Right.
Now, try to follow us. We're going to do it once slow and once a little faster. We'll start from here. Follow us if you're there. So we go. 1, change weight, leaders rotate a little bit, open in the left. Sacada, flying, pulling to cross, lifting to uncross, and amague. 2 go, and 1. Quick, quick, slow for a resolution. And now try to follow us a little faster.
Side step, sacada, and cross. Embellishment and slow, quick, quick, slow.